Yo, welcome back to the channel. Remember for like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget for like, comment, share, subscribe. I can put the camera up on. So what you know, Anthony B jump on it. What you feel like Riddim. See me? So we are jumping at it right now. Watch it. Anthony B.
Double YFL.
Not too bright.
Anthony B lead out. The girl say, boxer but she no want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta powers. Wash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers.
Pull up.
Double.
But I know about Anthony B. No boy in a dancer right now can give Anthony B a give right now. As a culture man.
She want feel up the
Rasta powers.
Wash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers. Boxer Rubbaz, she no want no.
I feel like, comment, share, subscribe. Anthony B.
She want feel up the Rasta powers. Wash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers. You remember this girl from Kingston? She does call me, say she want the king's son. Me drink some roots, me never drink rum. Me tell her
why you drink?
She fi bring come. Now she a request the work, no income. And she don't get test, no symptom. Have me
pull up.
Wash it.
Pull up.
Anthony B lead out. The girl say, boxer Rubbaz, she no want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta powers. Wash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers. Boxer Rubbaz, she no want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta powers. Wash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers. You remember this girl from Kingston? She does call me, say she want the king's son. Me drink some roots, me never drink rum.
Remember this girl from Kingston? She call me, say she want have the king's son.
Me tell her the kitty she fi bring come. Now she a request the work, no income. And she don't get test, no symptom. Have me wife but she still a get fling down. Put it on hard, make Rubbaz and skin bun. He book her inna the city some years back. Too stiff titty them time that she no wear locks. Book her inna the car over the gearbox. Have it 2 foot pan the dashboard in a earmarks. Slam me cheek one like she.
Yo, pull up.
She request the work, no income. And she don't get test, no symptom. Have me wife but she still a get fling down. Put it on hard, make Rubbaz and skin bun. He book her inna the city some years back. Too stiff titty them time that she no wear locks. Book her inna the car over the gearbox. Have it 2 foot pan the dashboard in a earmarks. Slam me cheek one like she get beer back. Squeeze her throat, now she want get she beer back. Pop down, we no play that. So when you see the Rasta man, you better wear black. And bring her boxer Rubbaz, she no want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta powers. Mash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers. Boxer Rubbaz, she no want no flowers.
Yo, DJ Mark, we need this. We need this pan Riddim right now. Right now.
She want feel up the Rasta powers. Mash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers. See? She got the kitty every man a dream about. So me live up in a that like me dream house. No kissy even though she have a clean mouth. Big broom make she ball and scream out. Man straight Rasta no go the lean route. She say me love it make she want be me queen now. Puff the chalice blow the weed out. She say tell Billy me a the real goat. Rasta no in a slackness. Full of girls so we na pay back fist. I be a hotness pan the rassless. She say push back cause she got this. Flexibly she make me back twist. She a wine like her every day she practice. She say me a the first man ever match this. So me make she scream out like a actress. Boxer Rubbaz she no want no flowers.
Come again.
Kitty, every man
yo, come again.
So me live up in a that like me dream house. No kissy even though she have a clean mouth. Big broom make she
man.
Scream out. Man straight Rasta no go the lean route. She say me love it make she want be me queen now. Puff the chalice blow the weed out. She say tell Billy me a the real goat. Rasta no in a slackness. Full of girls so we na pay back fist. I be a hotness pan the rassless. She say push back cause she got this. Flexibly she make me back twist. She a wine like her every day she practice. She say me a the first man ever match this. So me make she scream out like a actress. Boxer Rubbaz she no want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta powers. Mash it up send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers. Boxer Rubbaz she no want no flowers.
Yo, pause it. Yo, I'm telling you something, yo. I have said this before, may I say it again. Dancehall don't have a Anthony B, a Sizzler, a Buju, a Capleton. Like, and the man I just called out a while ago are individuals who can switch from being a culture artist, when you say a culture artist, a reggae artist, jump on a dancehall beat, destroy it, and jump back on a reggae beat like nothing happened. That me mean. See me? Sizzler. Pum 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 pum. She want me ram it up, pum. Woman say pum 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 come pum pum pum. You see me? Literally, a culture man I give a dancehall song where became a hit. Multiple too, as that. Not just one song, but multiple songs. You have Anthony B now, where literally I show you to the day. Say, them are the legend in this music game. Them man that can jump on a rhythm and kill it, regardless of being a culture artist. And I realize there was no expletives, there was no derogative language or words or anything in it, or sentence or whatever you want to call it, bar, whatever. Are just some clean lyrics where them used back in the days. Because back in the days, now them they slack, it was just a little bit more reformed and it was a little bit more conserved based on how them deliver it. You see me? So you have to really take note, yo. Say, yo, this is how a artist body a rhythm without no bad word. It's like Eminem body in a rhythm a song without using the word nigga. You see me? So yo, big up Anthony B. Like, comment, share, subscribe. 10 out of 10.